Hello everybody. On this video we want to have a little bit explanation of this the TNVAS software tracking navigation system. On this application we try to just make a better communication and make a better experience for the drivers, especially the truck drivers on the road, and they can find their friends and they communicate to each other, chatting to each other and watching their each other live on a map. This phone on the right, iPhone 11, is the simulator. We simulate a drive site in the United States. Okay, we simulate a car that's driving in United States, San Francisco, I think. And okay, it's started. Yes, with 62 kilometer per hour is starting the driving, and on the phone on the left, this guy on the right, this is tablet Android. Okay, good. And here, if we see the friend list, we have a tablet Android. Okay, and if we zoom out a little bit and we go to the United States, okay, we have two friends here. The truck icon, it means one of our friends is driving, and when we click on the icon we can see him just live on a map. As you can see that when the driver is driving on the road, we can track him. This is the speed, this is the last time that the location is updated, and this is the distance between us, between these two devices. And on the device on the right, if we go to the menu and who see me, this is the option. Here we can just manage which user can see our location. For example, here if we said nobody see my location, and when you see on the left, the location is not updated, is not going to be updated anymore because we just disabled the permission, and now we can just enable it again. And after we enabling, okay, it should be, yes, it's now active again, and we can trace back our friend on a map. Okay, this is the one of the first and the most important feature in our project. Another features is walkie-talkie mode. We can just choose the walkie-talkie, choosing our friends that which friends we want to be a walkie-talkie. We can select them here, and when we are starting the walkie-talkie, the message is going to our friends, and we can start doing the walkie-talkie together. This friend is tablet Android, and we choose him, the tablet Android. Okay, advertisement is showing to us. But with walkie-talkie mode, we can easily just have a walkie-talkie with our friends. Okay, if I close the app and open it again, I think I see the walkie-talkie page here too. And when each of the users is pressing the mic, they can just send a message to other users. Okay, this walkie-talkie message that is asking us that we want to join the walkie-talkie or not. And when we press yes, we can just join the walkie-talkie and start the walkie-talkie with our friends. And when I press the mic here, asking for the permission, and now when I ask the mic here, only one user at this time can speak, and here this user can speak, and just like that all the users can have a walkie-talkie with others while they're driving. And this walkie-talkie is just using the internet and using the data just when we want to send something. And because of that, if we on the road we don't have a very good quality network, or we disrupt the network, or disconnection happened too much on the network on the road, is not very important at all. That this walkie-talkie is not a live connection. This is almost when you just press the mic is using the data, and because of that we can have a more stable connection with the friends, and more stable if our internet is not very good is not problem. As soon as we get a high quality network, we can just continue to communicate with our friends. And here we have a little messenger. We can find our friends here and send a message to them, start to chatting with them. We can just send the camera image, we can send from gallery image, send emojis, and send microphone, talking with the microphone with the friends. And the other features that we have is the car services features. In this feature, we can just noting everything that we do on our car. For example, the repairs, the period services, the technical checkings, cleanings, and all of the other things. We can just have a note in the system. And for example, these services we did. Here we can just write down what is the mileage of the car. For example, we did this on 190 kilometers. For example, this is the mileage, how much it cost for us, and we can set the system to remind us on the next mileage or on the next days. The system automatically remind us for the next service, and we cannot miss it. Just like this one, for example, we write it right now, or like just like this one, that we wrote it down around 25 or 6 days ago. And just like that, we can just write down everything here, and it's just like a note for us and a reminder. And every time we need, we can just adding the car mileage here to just keep the car mileage updated in the system, and system do the better notification for us. And when we zoom on our location, for example, like this one, we have this button. With clicking on this button, we can save our current location. This is the address of our current location. We can save the current location. We can put a title on it and put some notes if we want to explain something about the current location. And we can add some images. Okay. Oh, I don't have a camera on the simulator. And we can just put some images and save this location and share this location with our friends. And we have some saved positions here. Okay, this red one, for example, this is one of my friends. If I click, I saw him like this, that yesterday 11 o'clock, 11:29, he was online. He just opened the application on that time yesterday. And all these red ones is the locations that I saved in the application. For example, this one. Okay, this is a neon bar, a little bar that I was there just a couple of days ago. And these images, I add these images when I was there, and is easily saving for me, and I can share this location with the friends. Sorry, my system is a little slow. I think it's hanged. No, it's not hanged. Okay, we can easily share this location with our friends, and for example, in future, if we want to go there, we can just navigate. System can navigate us easily to these positions. All these positions is saved in the systems. For example, this is a Starbucks near my home. I save it in the system, and so many other places, for example, places here and others. Okay, this is so far are the features that we supported on the application at this time, at now. Car services, location savings, sharing the location, sharing the current location with our friends, and watching the friends online on a map. And we can just changing some map style. 6 different styles is supported in the system. We can have a walkie-talkie. We can just select it who can see us and be visible to whom exactly, or just nobody can see us. And for the next features, we're going to have a website. We're going to have a web platform. On that web platform, the cargo companies can just notify the drivers and find the drivers to just pick up some cargoes or something like that, and for using them to delivering the some goods or cargoes or other things. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I just try my best to just explain it as good as possible. Okay, for the next videos, see you on the next videos. Have a good day.